Jell-O there. Today we have the chicken mousse, which is a hearty, flavorful entree for hot summer or busy meeting-filled days. Well, it's neither of those, but still made the chicken mousse. It's got canned chicken, it's a lemon Jell-O, mayonnaise, whipped cream, celery, and pimento. A little bit of vinegar and cayenne for some flavor. Oh, and chicken broth. Yeah. Let's give it a shot. It wouldn't be bad if it wasn't so sweet. The sweetness really kind of takes it out of you. But I mean, canned chicken and celery is good. With the mayonnaise, it's a chicken salad basically. But it's just a little too sweet. A little too sweet. But it's still fun. Yeah. Too sweet. And that's how the Jell-O chickens.